This is Tilly attempting to climb up to the bush, and she'll probably end up sinking into the snow.
How bad is it over there?
It's pretty bad. Tilly,
it's up.
Tilly loves it.
Our garage doors, it's about halfway covered. It's about 2 feet higher than yours.
Yeah, I had to shovel out the garage door. I had to get a snowblower out of there.
Oh.
Ricky at 6 in the morning.
Seriously?
You can't see my garbage cans over here.
Oh.
You can't see anything back here. It's one of the dogs back here is trying to
Tilly loves it.
climb up a mountain. It's kind of funny.